You want pedicure?
Yes.
Regular or gel?
Regular?
Gel for free.
Okay.
You want me to take off your socks? Or you gonna do it yourself?
You can take it off.
$5 more, okay?
Ask you hot.
Is it? You want me to cool it down?
Yes, please.
What okay?
It's okay. Why are you yelling at me?
Oh my God.
What's wrong?
You have nice toe.
Why did you say, oh my God? You use gloves?
Glove for what? You have nice toe. One. You want massage hard or soft?
Medium, please.
Hard or soft?
Medium?
Hard or soft?
Soft.
Soft.
It's too soft.
So you want hard?